Welcome to Engineering Chemistry. Today we are discussing about the topic hardness of water. The water, which hardness of water means, in this we are discussing about the hard water. Hard water means the water which does not produce lather or produce very little lather with soap is called hard water. This is hard water. Next, what is hard water? What is the soft water? The water which produce lather very easily with soap is called soft water. The hardness of water is mainly caused by the presence of dissolved salts such as bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides and nitrates. And some of the bivalent metals also present. That bivalent metal ions like calcium and magnesium. Here the soap, what is the soap? First of all, this soap is the mixture of the sodium or potassium salts with higher fatty acids like stearic acid and palmitic acid. Okay, next this what are the types of the hardness? There are mainly two types of the hardness. Temporary hardness, this is also called as a carbonate hardness. The second one is the permanent hardness. Permanent hardness or non-carbonate hardness. Next, temporary hardness. It is caused by the two dissolved salts of bicarbonates salts like calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. This type of hardness is called temporary hardness. It can be removed by boiling. What happened here? First of all, here the calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 twice, on boiling it gives CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Next, magnesium bicarbonate will gives magnesium hydroxide plus 2CO2. Next, the second one is the permanent hardness. It is caused by the dissolving chlorides chlorides, sulfates and nitrates. And these nitrates of calcium and magnesium also caused the permanent hardness. And these salts are calcium chloride, CaSO4, calcium nitrates, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, magnesium nitrate. Okay. Next, these type of hardness cannot be removed easily by boiling, hence it is called as a permanent hardness. Only these hardness is removed by chemical treatment can remove this hardness. Next, total hardness of water is equal to temporary hardness plus permanent hardness. Next one is the degree of hardness. Degree of hardness. Degree of hardness. It is defined as the total quantity of hardness causing salts present in water. That is calcium and magnesium. It is defined as in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. That is, the calcium degree of hardness is mainly expressed in terms of the calcium carbonate equivalents. That calcium carbonate equivalent equal to weight of hardness causing salt, weight of hardness causing salt into molecular weight of CaCO3 by molecular weight of hardness causing salt. This is the formula. The calcium carbonate equivalent is the weight of hardness causing salt into molecular weight of calcium carbonate by molecular weight of hardness causing salt. This is the calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, here the degree of hardness is mainly it is defined as the total quantity of hardness causing salt present in the water. It is defined in terms of this degree of hardness is defined in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. The calcium carbonate equivalent is, what is this calcium carbonate equivalent? Weight of hardness causing salt into molecular weight of calcium carbonate by molecular weight of hardness causing salts. This is about the permanent hardness, temporary hardness, what is the soft water, what is the hard water, and what is the degree of hardness. Okay, thank you very much.